Hey everyone! Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you forget, and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that way you will be notified whenever a new video is published. Now in this episode of Classroom Digital Tools, we're going to review how to use IAmACreator to create an avatar image of yourself for use on your classroom webpage or on other social media. In order to create an avatar image for your classroom webpage or for use in other social media, go to avatarmaker.com, and when you go to this website, the very first option that you will be given is to choose a gender for your avatar. In this example, I'm going to choose male, but you can also choose female. Up here, you have the main categories to choose from to alter the appearance of your avatar. You have face, eyes, hair, clothing, and the background. Starting with the face, you choose the size of the face and just run through all the options to find the one that best matches the desired appearance of the avatar. And scrolling down a little bit, you can choose the desired skin tone for your avatar. Then click on the option for mouth to run through the different options for the mouth of the avatar. Click on nose, and likewise choose the desired appearance of the nose. And click on ears to adjust the appearance of the ears. Next, click on the main field of eyes and select the best appearance of the eyes, and as you can see, there are many options here. I'll stick with this one though. Over here you can change the color of the outline of the eyes. I'm going to keep it as dark here. Next, in order to change the actual color of the irises, select iris and adjust the color as needed. Since I have green eyes, I'm going to choose the green color here. But you can also change the shape of the iris to a number of different options. Next, choose the sub-option of eyebrows and select the eyebrows that are most relevant. And click on glasses to add optional glasses to your avatar. And if you change your mind about adding glasses to the avatar, just click on the X and we'll eliminate that choice. Next, click on hair. Go through the different options for hair. In the color options, choose the color of the hair that is most relevant. For men, you can also choose to add a mustache if you have a mustache for your avatar. I'm going to X out of that though. You can also choose a beard if you want to add a beard to the avatar. And likewise, you can change the color of the beard. Next, click on the clothing option and choose the most relevant clothing for your avatar. I'm going to choose the suit, and I'm going to change the color of the suit to a dark color. Using these arrow options, I can change the position of the avatar in the screen to a limited extent. And to change the background, click on Backs and run through the various options. You can eliminate the background altogether, but if you choose to have a background, you can adjust the color of the background using the color palette underneath the image of the avatar. If you are satisfied with the appearance of your avatar, hover over the download option and click the file type that you would like to use. For this example, I'm going to choose the PNG file type, which will download the image in 200 by 200 format. And now you can see that the avatar image has been downloaded onto my hard drive. Thank you for watching this episode of Classroom Digital Tools. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please leave a comment advising me about the types of video tutorials you would like to see me make in the future. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate your support. Have a great day.